This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety and control. Power down Bluetooth and take the AirPods Pro out of the case so you don't accidentally trigger noise. Next, position them on a towel and grab a soft bristle brush, a 70% isopropyl wipe or solution on a lint-free swab, and a toothpick for stubborn debris. Begin by brushing the mic grill gently to dislodge loose particles. This mechanical step removes most obstruction and prevents pushing gunk deeper, and it prepares the surface for targeted cleaning. Once loose bits are gone, you address hardened grime. Hold the AirPod steady and use a toothpick at a shallow angle to lift deposits from the mic grill. Be gentle to avoid denting mesh. Then, lightly dampen a lint-free swab with 70% isopropyl. Make sure it's not dripping, and roll it over the grill to dissolve oils and residue. After that, brush the area again to restore pore flow, and immediately dry with a cloth so no liquid sits against sensitive components. You finish by letting both AirPods sit for 10 to 15 minutes so any residual alcohol evaporates and moisture clears. Then pair and run a quick call test. Speak normally and listen for static, muffling, or volume loss. If sound is improved, you're done. If not, repeat the gentle toothpick and swab cycle once more, making sure not to soak the grill. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist after 2 attempts, stop and contact Apple support to avoid voiding warranty or causing damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.